Welcome to Oba Engineering Company. We are building of 15 kV fuelless generator. So as you can see now, all the water is getting
Good evening, everybody. So, we are doing production of 15 kVA for electric vehicle. This is our engineering company. Behind me is the production process as we are doing the fabrication of the metal sheet. So, we walking through how the production process will go from here to the installation process. Keep watching. Thank you. So, ini akan balik nomor di kota nanti. Baru ini nak balik. So, buat di 15 kV ni, nanti. Bisa saja ni. Cover ni, betul ni.
No worry, sir.
This is 15 kVA fuelless generator we are delivering to the customer. And you can see as we are loading it in this vehicle. So you can see the loading process. Those are the solar panels that will be delivered with it. So as we take you through the delivery process, when we get to the hotel, it's a mansion house. As we offload it and as the installation go, stay with us in this video.
This is the moment I have loaded the fuelless generator finish, and this is the moment the vehicle is coming out of our engineering factory. This is the front of the factory. The vehicle is coming out to be able to be on the way going to the installation site to hand over the products to the customer that own the products. Keep watching. This is the arrival of the generator at Masina Hotel at Abule Egba, Lagos State, Nigeria. So the fuelless generator is about to be pushed into the installation location. The IAB is trying to bend, he has already bent the generator to be able to land it on the upstairs where the generator is where the generator will be installed. So that is the moment you are watching in the video. Thanks for staying with us. Keep watching to the end.
This is a 15 kVA generator we have just delivered at Masina Hotel for Masek Industry. Yeah. We are happy to deliver it today. We are so proud of the job we have done. Yeah.
Excellent. Beautiful. Wonderful. Miracle. I see.
Those are the solar panel that will work with the fuelless generator on the roof that you are seeing. And the generator is this you can see the company name is customized on it. Meet one of the senior engineer in Obarawa Engineering Company, the chief engineer, Engineer Debayo Anthony. That is one of the professional manufacturer in Obarawa Engineering Company that contributes to the success of the manufacturing of this 15 kVA. The generator is the one working at the moment, supply electricity into the hotel building without air condition. No air condition is connected to the generator because the hotel has 20 rooms and 20 television, 20 standing fans, many lighting points. The DJ instruments is connected, like 18 ceiling fans were installed in the bar, and many charging points, many standing aux fan